Hello Blender user. Today I want to teach you how we can turn on motion blur in Blender Eevee. So in my scenes I have a ceiling fan. I create animation from this and I do some lighting and so I increase my speed, my fan speed to have a better motion blur. So for turning on, you go to rendering tab and Eevee. In a motion blur menu, you just turn on a motion blur. In motion blur, we have some parameter like shutter and step. The shutter is 0.5 in default and steps is 1. I changed my shutter to 0.9 and change the step in 3. Shutter about how much we can have motion blur, and steps how much frame we calculate for motion blur. If we increase the shutter, we have a more motion blur, and by decreasing the shutter, we have a less motion blur. I change motion blur to 0.3 and I re-render again. You can see we have less motion blur. I change it the shutter to 1 and you can have we have a more shutter, and I change my step from 3 to 9. You can see we have a more shutter by increasing the steps because we have a more frame to calculate motion blur. Thanks for watching.